Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Asana task completion not syncing issue. Many users mark tasks as complete, but changes don't appear across other devices or team members, and it usually happens due to browser cache, network problems, or app glitches. First, refresh the page. Press Ctrl plus R and wait for Asana to reload. Small glitches often fix this way. Step 1, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable connections may prevent syncing. Switch to a stable Wi-Fi or wired network. Step 2, clear browser cache or app cache. Corrupted cache may block task updates. Clear cache for the Asana site or reinstall the mobile/desktop app if needed. Step 3, log out and log back into Asana. This refreshes your session and often resolves syncing issues. Make sure you log in on all devices. Step 4, disable browser extensions. Ad blockers or privacy tools may interfere with task updates. Turn them off temporarily and test again. Step 5, update your browser or Asana app. Outdated software may prevent real-time syncing. Always use the latest version. Step 6, check team permissions. Limited roles may prevent tasks from syncing for some members. Verify your access level in the project. Finally, contact Asana support if tasks still don't sync. Provide workspace details, affected tasks, and steps tried. Support can check server-side or account issues. So yeah, fixing Asana task completion not syncing is about refreshing the page, checking internet, clearing cache, logging out/in, disabling extensions, updating software, checking permissions, and contacting support. Follow these steps and task updates should sync normally again. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped.